guys, we're just going to do a short video based on the temperature of the Opal Peelable wax because we get a few inquiries asking about temperature. I'm going to do a visual consistency check, so I'm going to give you an indicator how it looks on the spatula to make sure it's the perfect temperature for your clients. Obviously we've got the temperature gauge on the heater. I'm not going to go through those because every heater puts out its own temperature, and the temperature that's on the screen here doesn't directly let us know what temperature it is as the working wax temperature. So the first I'm going to do is show you the working wax temperature of Opal, and you can see that the centre of the wax pretty much stays quite solid for the whole day, so we're not going to mix that in at all, but rather we're going to work with this juicy stuff around the edge. So when you use your spatula, it's always best to scoop your wax as opposed to dip it in and pull it out. So we're going to just use the very tip of the spatula and we're going to scoop and scrape. And what I want you to look at is that the Opal is sat on the spatula like a ball. There's a roundness to the top of the Opal. It's not running off the spatula. I'm not having to twist it quickly in order to capture anything that might be falling off the spatula. So I'm just going to do that again for you to show the perfect working temperature of the Opal. So we're going to scoop, scrape, and that will sit on the top of the spatula and just create a nice round ball. That is a perfect temperature. If your wax is running off at this stage, you have got it too hot. So when you're using the thermometer, a couple of really key things. We're only going to place the thermometer about 1 inch into the wax, and we're also going to place it into the working wax temperature, so not this solid bit in the middle. And we've also got to be careful not to touch this metal plate because it will read the temperature of the metal plate. So I'm just going to place that in, and it only needs to be in for about 20 seconds. Now the temperatures you're looking for that are comfortable according to the manual is 52 to 56 degrees Celsius. The working wax temperature can be comfortable for the skin all the way up to 62, 63 degrees Celsius, because there's a time from the travelling of the wax from the pot to the client that it cools down just enough for the skin. So this is coming up to about 20 seconds shortly. So we'll just pull that out, give it another 5, and we'll have a look at what the temperature is at, and it should be absolutely perfect. So I've just got my cotton pad here just to make sure that I can wipe it down straight away. So my working wax temperature is 53.6.9, so that is perfect for it to go onto the client's skin. And then my thermometer is nice and cleaned down for next time.